Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock reference number 5415. The shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, factory fitted 3-ton tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 1 large dent and 2 small dents, right guard has 1 large dent, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, cloth type lid, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, display screen, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control.